Hello, my name is Laura Beth, and welcome to Employee Test TV. Job experience is often the first thing managers look at when hiring. Applicants with experience do better in interviews because they can easily explain their skills. But if you hire just based on experience, you may miss out on applicants with top growth potential. Here are some other factors to consider. Cognitive skills. All jobs require problem-solving skills to analyze and respond to situations accurately. Work experience doesn't provide cognitive ability, so be sure to ask questions or use tests to determine this skill set. Behavioral traits. Communication skills and determination to succeed are also important. Uncover these desired qualities by having different managers interview applicants, as their work experience alone won't prove these traits. Expertise. Expertise is different from experience, as expertise implies mastery of the subject, with the ability to draw conclusions with imperfect information. Having experience is not usually enough. You need to look for expertise. Hiring the best person takes a willingness to look beyond immediate qualifications, as the best hire can come from unconventional backgrounds. For info on how Employee Test can help uncover applicants' true abilities, just contact us today.